So I just ran out of the house to run a few errands and pick this up. I did get in on the new Bumbag. Yes, the new Bumbag, and I don't mean the mini. And I'm so glad that somebody finally put a piece out, talking about the new Bumbag. Because when I first got offered the Bumbag, I couldn't find anything on the Bumbag. And I was like, oh my God, is it a fluke? She said, did I get some spam or something, and trying to get me to buy something that Louis didn't even make or something. And no, it really was a message from my essay telling me about the new Louis Vuitton Bumbag. I think it's from the High Rise collection, and it'll be released on August the 4th. And so check out these chicks' blogs and everything and see what they've got to say about it, because from what I understood, and the first time that Allie, my essay, tried to get, which is fantastic, there in Birmingham, Alabama. Y'all make sure you go by there and see her and send sweet love and kisses from me for her. But anyway, I didn't get in on the first clap of it, but she got me in. So love you, Allie. So this box is from 24s.com, and let's open the box and see what is in the box. Let's see here. I'm excited. I am so excited. Let's see what's in the box. Oh my goodness. To the Louis Vuitton pouches. Can you see? Okay. And this first pouch, which everything's going to be backwards for you, I realize. So I'm just going to show you the pieces. Aww. They wrapped them up. It's so cute. Look. Aww. Okay. And this is a Louis Vuitton bracelet in small from 24s.com, and that is teeny tiny. I wanted this to be able to put on my leather straps and to be able to hang charms on so that it wouldn't damage the leather strap with metal on that particular leather. But we'll see how that fits in just a minute. Let's put that there and go on to the next piece. And by the way, this is the small, so please note they are extremely small. It does have extra loop. We'll try that on in just a moment. But for a couple of $100, it's about the cheapest thing going, So, and this is the Louis Vuitton Lockme card case, and it has a pocket here, a middle slot pocket here, and there, and has silver hardware. And that goes with this beautifully. Voila. There we go. Best investment I've ever made. Paid $1,500 for this one. From Louis. Comes with a chain, which not in my other bag. But yes, just beautiful. I love the leather on this so much that when the card case became available on the 24S, I said, yes, please. So that's the card case, in which this does come with a 6-card slot, I believe it is, or 8-card slot, on the back wall included in this bag. But I found that I did want an additional card piece. So let's try this bracelet on, and we'll get them to where we need to be. And we will unbox the new Bumbag, the high-rise Bumbag, together when it gets here. I missed out on the first Bumbag, so I'll be excited to get this new Bumbag, which, keep your eye out for it, ladies. It's only $18.50. We do know for a Louis Vuitton that is a steal of a deal. So I'm trying the bracelet on now, and so forgive me, getting a little wonky there. I'm trying the bracelet on now, and I've got a summer cold. I have been sick for about a year now. COVID and different funks on and off, but what can you do? What can you do? So the small fits me perfectly. I usually wear about 7 1/4 inch bracelet. So it fits me perfect. I'm excited to have this piece, and wherever you are in the world, I hope that peace and love finds you. I hope that you have all that you ever dreamed of. Please like, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so that you get notified when I do one of these unboxings. And I will see you guys when the Bumbag gets here. Please know that you are worth everything that you ever dreamed of. Love you.